going anywhere.
Ready to make some balls.
We're gonna do something that's simple and easy for you to do at home. It's healthy, it's something you can make a bunch of, and it's something you can get really creative with. We're using some of our teas that we blend in-house, that we turn into powders to coat these in. And it gives you a really beautiful blank canvas to work with and do whatever you want with.
How do we get started?
So we're doing date balls. There's very few ingredients for this, but this is where you can have as many ingredients as you want or as few ingredients as you need. We're using some pitted dates, maple syrup, so we have new Mexican red chili, and then we've also got some cocoa powder and espresso grinds, and a little salt and walnuts. We're gonna blend all of these up together. This is your canvas. Do whatever you want.
Mix it up.
I think the main ingredient for this to make it really work though is dates. But these, we're gonna take them, they're already pitted. Be careful if you get unpitted dates, because you could break a tooth or your grandma's tooth. These we're gonna put into some boiling water just for a very short period of time, just 3 minutes. While we're doing that, we don't really have anything else to do except for set up our food processor.
Well, I know what we can do.
What can we do?
We can play the word association game. I'm gonna hit you with a word, you're gonna hit me back with a word.
Okay.
Okay, ready? Flesh.
Blood?
Encore.
Presentation? I don't know.
Identity.
Queer.
Panty.
Never touched them.
Sandwich.
Something I'd like to be a part of.
Safe.
Something I don't want to be a part of.
Fish sauce.
Delicious.
Icon.
Mariah Carey.
Tea.
The Awkward Scone.
Yes. Cantaloupe.
Women have a better taste for this than men do. It's a scientific
Is that
fact,
true?
yes.
Holy shit, I didn't know that. Did you guys know that?
Women are more prone to liking cantaloupe. Fact! Cantaloupe is more well liked by women.
Holy shit. Butterfly.
Mariah Carey.
Open.
Hopefully my legs this weekend.
Oh!
Just kidding.
And that's word association, guys!
We're gonna pretend that was 3 minutes because these were pretty
so
moist dates.
wet.
I'm gonna strain these dates because we don't want all that water. These dates are gonna go into this food processor. We wanna get rid of that water. Fun. You wanna help me? You wanna put all this stuff in there? Walnuts.
Walnuts are my favorite because they're such good brain food.
Cocoa powder and espresso powder for a little jolt of energy.
Oh my gosh. New Mexican red chili, yum.
It's a little maple syrup.
Maple syrup.
For a little extra hydration, a little extra sweetness. Coconut.
Coconut.
This is kind
more
of
nuts to your nuts.
more nuts.
We have some salt here. We're
Yeah.
gonna add the salt.
Also included in that same kind of. I didn't even measure that salt.
Oh, oops.
We'll see. I didn't mention this earlier, but I also have an orange over here.
Shake it. Ooh, it's getting there.
And then we just want to make sure that we can like form it into something.
Yeah, you want to show them.
Yeah, so it's kind of a little rough, a little
Sticky,
weird, but if I
yum.
do this, it's gonna hold its shape. Gonna get messy.
I'm gonna get messy.
So these we're gonna form into little balls.
Got you by your balls.
Look at that. How cute and beautiful is that? You could line these all up, get all your bowls ready.
So we have these beautiful plates.
Ready for action.
Look at all these balls.
Throw them into whatever coating your little heart desires. Put them into pistachios, which we have here. These are two of our tea blends from the Awkward Scone. This one is Palo Santo, rose, and hibiscus with some dehydrated berries. So that one's got that's gonna have a real fruity exterior. This one is like a golden milk number. It's mandarin and turmeric and ginger.
Look at how pretty the colors.
Oh my God.
You guys.
If I had one. Try one.
Shall we?
Yeah.
What should we do? I'll try
Well,
this one.
Yeah, I think I want the golden milk one.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Balls to the walls.
Oh, I was tasting it first.
Oh. Oh, I didn't know. So good. Mmm. So now we're headed towards the end of the show. We're gonna play Restaurant Fuck, Marry, Kill.
Okay. Tell me about it.
So the way that Restaurant Fuck, Marry, Kill works is you're gonna tell us your pick for your first date, your anniversary, and we need to talk.
First date, probably go to La Conde Verde. That was the very first restaurant that I've ever worked at in New York. I've got a tough exterior, but I'm very sentimental, so I would like to show them a little piece of me. If they are paying for our anniversary dinner, we would go to Blue Hill Stone Barns.
Yes.
Yes.
That is like the epitome.
It's an experience. It's something I've always wanted to do. Definitely look up to Dan Barber and his food ethics and what they're doing on the farm. We have to talk. I would prepare my favorite meal of tuna in a can and freezer burned corn tortillas with half a jar of salsa. Which
Sounds
is
pretty good, actually.
It's not, it's really sad. It's what I had for dinner last night. Unintentionally ate it in the dark, like a really sad, depressed, horrible person.
Don't feel bad. I always eat over my sink. So, where can we find you, Eric?
Eric, the Awkward Scone BK, and Leopard and Pear.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for making some date balls with us with all these beautiful flavors. Like, subscribe, share, comment, and give us a big wet kiss.